Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can make your account on private or public. So firstly what you need to do is you have to simply click on your profile picture here in the top left corner. Then you have to scroll down and then tap on the settings and privacy right here. Then you have to tap on the privacy and safety, and here you can see the first option, which is audience and tagging. Tap on this and then you can see the first option, protect your tweets. So if you disable this toggle button, then your account will be unprivate. It means anyone can see your account, but it will, if you will enable this toggle button, when this toggle button turns blue, then it will be the private. So you have to simply turn this button off, and now you have made your account on private. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. That's it.